Hi friends, welcome to World Explorer India. Today we are seeing topic of culture. So what is culture? Culture is the language, beliefs, values, norms, behaviors and material objects passed over generations. So culture is everything we do, everything we practice, everything we do in our daily life is called culture. So it includes the way of language, the way of communication, the beliefs we have, the values we possess, norms or rules and regulations of society, behaviors we display in certain situations, and some of the material objects which we pass over the generations. So this all include culture. So it is again divided into material culture and non-material culture. Material culture includes jewelry, art, buildings, weapons, machines, eating utensils, hairstyles and clothing. And non-material culture includes ways of thinking, beliefs, values, norms of interaction, assumptions about the world, behavior patterns, language and gestures. You can see here material culture we can touch it and we can feel it. In non-material culture it is the way we think, the way we feel. It is not that way we touch it. So that is the difference between material and non-material culture. And there is something called as culture shock. That means if you are moving from one area to another area, the culture is different. One city to another city, culture is different. One state to another state, culture is different. One country to another country, we feel so much of differences in the culture. Let's see the example of village versus urban. In a village, you ask any person to find the address, you can get the address of each and every one of all the villages. But when you go into the city, the situation is different. We doesn't even know who is residing beside our home. That is the way we communicate with each other. And if you are seeing the tribal versus metropolitan cities, you can see the tribal people are very much inculcated towards the nature, but metropolitan cities we see lot of chaos, lot of noise pollution, and also because of these metropolitan cities the nature is getting affected because of the pollution. And you can see there are some villages in India like Shani Shingnapur. There is one place where you can see there is no door for the houses. They feel that if someone is trying to steal something, they are going to lose. So that is the power of the god they has. So it means this is a type of culture, this is a belief. So such type of beliefs are there. Nowadays you can see open defecation in many of the areas, but still it has been decreased now because of the lot of awareness campaigns happened, and even this has been changed. And what is culture shock? We see when situations like COVID, we have seen many of the foreign countries, they have started running for the buying of tissue papers because they don't use water for washing, but we use water in India. So what is happening, if you are going suddenly to another country, even you feel very difficult to adjust with that situations. It is not only that, even the way of communication, the way of dressing, the way of standing, way of talking, everything changes. Now let's take an example. If you are going into some KFC, you will stand in a queue. But if you are going into a movie theater, even you are going to stand in a queue to buy the tickets. But when you want to enter a train in Bombay, you have to rush inside it. So that culture is okay in Bombay, but not that culture same in KFC. So what is happening here? Everything is same, but as per the society and as per the culture, we have to behave in such manner. And everything is supreme in culture only if it is giving benefit to someone. That is what is the major concept of culture. Next thing is ethnocentrism. Ethnocentrism means believing one's own culture is superior. Positive aspect is loyalty to own culture, negative aspect leads to discrimination. That is called as ethnocentrism. They feel that their own culture is superior. That is nothing but ethnocentrism. So we can see some of the culture systems. We have burqa system in some community, standing in line or survival of fit to get the place. Ethnocentrism, decision making, it is better to choose between what is right and what is wrong. Culture shock, if you are going into a new place, you have to adjust with the new culture. And next thing is, it is a shared common learned ways in culture. So if you like this, subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.